Hello everybody, here I am again to tell you about wild violets. They are really very small, but they are famous for their incredible fragrance and heralding among the first flowers of the season the arrival of spring. Today I would like to show you how to crystallize violets. It is a very easy recipe and the flowers can be then used to garnish sweets and desserts in a very elegant way. You will need nothing else than some fresh cut flowers, egg white, sugar and a small brush. Pick the flowers in areas where you are allowed to harvest them and separate them from the plant by cutting the stem in the point I am showing you with the arrow. Harvest dry flowers, so not early in the morning, and do not wash them. I use the egg whites as they are without whisking them, and I use normal white granulated, so no brown or vanilla flavored sugar, because I want to bring out the best violet flavor. Take one flower at a time, holding it by its stem, and gently brush first the outer side of the petals and then the inner side after you will have dipped the brush into the egg whites. Do not dip the flowers directly into the egg whites because the petals would start sticking to each other. Always holding the violet by its stem, now gently press the inner part of it in the sugar you will have spread over a plate. Turn the flower so the sugar may stick also on the outer part of the petals. Put the flowers on a sheet of kitchen paper towel or on a wire rack. After a couple of hours, the violets will be dry, hardened out and ready to be used immediately or stored in a storage canister. I use a glass jar where I keep the flowers layered in plenty of granulated sugar. Try to use them for garnishing a Bavarian cream made with ricotta cheese or Salzburger Nockel, a delicious Austrian dessert made with egg whites. This recipe goes out not only to you all, but especially to Stefan, one of my guests, who started today a chemotherapy. So Stefan, wishing you really all the best from Italy. This recipe is for you. You will beat it. Tanti auguri, vedrai che ce la fai. As usual, I remind you all to look after the additional information you can find in the text box under the video. Bye bye and see you soon again with the next recipe. Ciao!